All right, we got something here. We down the wire again, and I can see a shadow out there. Not sure what it is though. It went all the way to the bottom again, which would make me think not a raccoon, but it is a raccoon. Good old ringtail. All right, that's a pretty good one too. I'll take him. Raining, flooded sets. Got one coon so far. Well, we're picking them off with the gang set slowly but surely. Just one by one. Not having multiples like I kind of expected, just one at a time, but catches keep coming steady, which don't hurt my feelings any. Skinning one a day, or one from this location, in addition to the 4 or 5 other ones that I've been catching versus 5 here and then the other 5. Ain't hurting my feelings any, but I'd like to see some see a cat or a coyote or something in my set over there. We'll see. It'll come. Well, old Bucky messed up today. Actually had him got him a snare, just a mock caster mound I had set up. There's a lodge right over there, but it's kind of like the lodge on the other side. Just not a whole lot of activity, and this set's been here 3 days or so with no activity at all. I got another set in that little cutover right there. I thought would be an awesome spot. I actually even put a little food lure there, but hadn't hit on anything. But we slowly but surely getting a few beavers out of here. You can see the damage to the timber that's been caused, flooding, killing these hardwoods. So it's creating good duck habitat, but it's all got its trade-offs, right? And I don't think the landowner minds having a little bit of water backed up, but just kind of to manage the population so that it doesn't do, they don't get back to backing up in other places and starting to kill more timber. I mean, you can look, this is acres and acres of hardwoods. From a value standpoint, a lot of times your hardwood, especially saw timber, your bigger trees like that right there that can be cut up into lumber is some of your highest value timber that there is. So the beaver damage can add up quickly. I believe this set continues to pay off. You see my stabilizer there knocked over. Water's a little muddy from the rain, but let's see if we got something. Let's see if we can not fall in. Both of those would be considered a win in my book. I believe we do. Oh yeah. That's another good beaver right there. Yes sirree. That beaver yesterday was a 46-pound female. She was a big beaver. And this may be the old patriarch of this colony here. That's good. It's good, doing what we're supposed to be doing.